Toenail fungus, medically known as onychomycosis, is a common condition that can cause discomfort, embarrassment, and even pain. While various treatments are available, many people prefer natural remedies due to their gentler approach and fewer side effects. Here's a guide on how to effectively combat toenail fungus using natural methods. Understanding toenail fungus. Toenail fungus occurs when fungi invade and thrive in the warm, moist environment of the toenails. This condition can lead to discoloration, thickening, and even detachment of the nail. Factors that increase the risk of toenail fungus include poor hygiene, tight footwear, and weakened immune systems. Natural remedies for toenail fungus. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful antifungal agent that can help eliminate toenail fungus. Its natural properties make it a popular choice for treating various skin conditions. How to use: apply a few drops of tea tree oil directly to the affected toenail using a cotton swab. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then rinse. Repeat this process twice daily for optimal results. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar ACV is known for its antifungal properties and can create an environment that is inhospitable to fungi. How to use: mix equal parts of ACV and water in a bowl. Soak your feet in the mixture for 30 minutes daily. After soaking, ensure to dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its antifungal effects. How to use: crush a few cloves of garlic and mix them with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Apply the mixture to the affected toenails and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Alternatively, you can consume raw garlic regularly to boost your immune system. Oregano oil. Oregano oil contains compounds like thymol and carvacrol, which have strong antifungal properties. How to use: mix a few drops of oregano oil with a carrier oil like olive oil to dilute it. Apply this mixture to the affected toenails twice daily. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is not only a moisturizer, but also has antifungal properties due to its medium-chain fatty acids. How to use: apply melted coconut oil directly to the affected area and leave it on. You can do this several times a day for effective results. Baking soda. Baking soda can help absorb moisture and create an alkaline environment that is unfavorable for fungi. How to use: mix baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply this paste to the affected toenails and let it sit for 10-15 minutes before rinsing. Repeat this twice daily. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has natural antifungal properties and can help brighten discolored nails. How to use: apply fresh lemon juice directly to the affected toenail and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing. You can do this once a day. Prevention tips after addressing toenail fungus. It's essential to take steps to prevent its recurrence. Keep your feet dry. Fungi thrive in moist environments, so ensure your feet are dry, especially between the toes. Choose breathable footwear. Opt for shoes made from natural materials that allow air circulation. Practice good hygiene. Trim your toenails regularly and keep them clean. Avoid sharing nail clippers or footwear. Change socks frequently. If your feet sweat a lot, change your socks regularly to keep them dry. Use antifungal powder. Consider using antifungal powder in your shoes and on your feet to reduce moisture. Conclusion: getting rid of toenail fungus can be a challenging process, but with persistence and the use of these natural remedies, you can achieve healthier nails. Remember to combine these treatments with good hygiene practices to prevent future infections. If your condition does not improve or worsens, consult a healthcare professional for further guidance.